In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add volume sentiment breakout channels, quick and easy. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to find this indicator inside Tradingview and get it running on your charts in just a couple of clicks. First, make sure you're logged into your Tradingview account and you've got a chart open, any market or time frame you like. It could be stocks, forex, crypto, whatever you trade. Once your chart is up, look towards the top of the screen for the Indicators button. This is usually near the middle or slightly to the left on the main toolbar above your chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. That opens the Indicators and Strategies panel, which is where you can search and add all the tools you need. Inside that search bar at the top of the panel, start typing Volume Sentiment. You don't have to type the full phrase perfectly. As long as you get most of it in there, Tradingview will filter the list and show you matching options. Give it a second to load if your internet is a bit slow, and then look through the results for the one called Volume Sentiment Breakout Channels. When you see Volume Sentiment Breakout Channels in the list, click on it once. As soon as you do, the indicator will automatically be added to your chart. You should see new lines or channels appear, along with visual signals based on volume sentiment and potential breakouts. If it doesn't show up right away, double check that you clicked the correct name and make sure your chart isn't zoomed out too far. Sometimes you need to zoom in a bit to clearly see the channels and how they react to the price action. From here, you can customize the indicator if you want. Just hover over its name in the chart legend and click the settings icon. That's where you can adjust colors, line styles, and other visual preferences so it matches the rest of your layout and is easy for you to read. Take a moment to play around with it and see how it behaves in different market conditions. But remember, the setup itself is as simple as what we just did. If you want to unlock more features on Tradingview, like extra indicators per chart, multiple layouts, and better data, consider upgrading to a paid plan using the affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel at no extra cost to you and gives you access to a more powerful charting experience.